That's a great idea. That's what happens after a couple days up north. What? Why do you got such a long rope? You need a shorter rope. Hey, Junior, wave. We need a shorter rope and a faster bike. I don't know where he can go that he can turn around. Hopefully Ken don't sink.
In a minute, as soon as where it's going to get back.
You better hurry up, get over!
Yep, see? See, there it is.
His bike went silent. Oh, let him spin it out. Give her. Oh, that's deep. Oh, let him pull him wheelies in the water. Drive him right out.
Up the shore.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch this. Oh, that's priceless.